people, how you all doing? It's your girl Boomsy. Thanks for always stopping by. Thanks for the love, the support on this channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are just joining the family, please do not forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I upload new videos. It's been a long ride. I've been away for a while. Sorry about that. And we are back. We're back for good, and we're here to serve you better. And so, guys, today is an unboxing video. Seriously, I'm so excited because I've been on and off kind of. It's not been easy to shoot some videos from some YouTube videos the way I want it, so I'll be showing us some of the things I used to shoot some of my videos, like this one, this mini tripod. I've been using this to shoot some of my YouTube videos, which is kind of a bit difficult. It's not been easy actually. So this, and also this. That is the clip. This is the part I attach my phone, and then this is the one I clip to the table. It has not been easy, seriously, guys. So, guys, but now it's about to get more easier. It's about to get serious. It's about to get. I got this. Yay! Weifeng 3560 tripod stand. So, 3-way fluid effect pan head, quick release plate, dual bubble level, and attached with hook. It's quick release leg locks and non-slip adjustable rubber feet. Guys, this is the real deal. I mean. So let's go to the unboxing very quickly so that will not take too much of our time. This is so good. Look at this bag. I can't wait to travel with this my tripod. I'm just going to hang it like this at the back. Oh, at the back. I'm going to add it. This is a real deal. Look at it. And itself, weifeng. This weifeng or weifeng. Chinese people will not come and arrest me anyways. It's not my language. Weifeng 3560. This is one of the best tripod I've ever seen in all my entire, an affordable one at that. Okay, guys, so very quickly I'm going to take us through. Now this, as it stated there, it stated that it's quick release leg locks. Let's go to the leg locks. Can you see that? That's the length of the leg, and then you're doing that to all of the others. Yes. And then this. And then this. Okay, look at that. We are doing the height. Look at that. Now, you see all of this part, you have to lock back to make it firm on the ground. If it's not lock it won't stand. So I'm locking it to make it firm on the ground. Lock it, lock that, lock the last one. Okay, guys, so, and then we open it, and voila! Yay! And to get more eyes, you see, have this point. You see this? Alright, then you just oh my goodness. This is way taller than I am. Is it an insult? Seriously. Oh my god, this is so good, guys. Look at that. best thumbnails ever. I'm going to be using this as my thumbnail. Okay guys, that's about the height. This is a good buy. Honestly, trust me guys, it's a good buy because this tripod stand is the truth. It is amazing. It has 360-degree rotation. You see this tripod, it is so strong and sturdy. This tripod is sturdy, it's strong. I love this leg. Look at that. This is so beautiful. You don't want it to close up this way, right? You just lock this point. See, you can lock. I mean, you can't close again. But you want to close it, you unlock this and then you close it. Alright? That's that. So that's just about the height. Let's go to the other features it has. I just love this. This is so relaxing. So calming. So relaxing, guys. I love this. Love. Yeah. Now to get this point, to get it bent this way, this is the lock you're working with. When you unlock it this way, you get to move this way. And when you have gotten the point you want it to stay, like probably you want it this way, you have to lock it back here. You have to lock it back here. Can you see it won't move after locking it? But when you want to move it again, you want to get another area, you have to unlock, then you move, then you lock it again. Can you see? It's not moving again. Good. So now, to get the 360-degree, you are working with this knob here, this lock. Now, it won't move more than this if you don't unlock it. So, let's unlock, and begin to do what? Begin to roll, begin to move. And when you have gotten the location you want, you tighten it here, the lock, you lock it back, and it won't be moving anymore. Those are it. Hope you understand this part and this part. Then that's about the stand, the eyes and the neck area. So let's go to where we attach our phone, the part I love most. I can't wait to use this. Can't wait to use this. Now we want to get this part, quick release plate. This part, this is the part you attach your phone. Now to get this out, just going to unlock it here. Alright, and you get it out here. Then you're just going to insert your phone holder here on this point. Now there's a control for this silver here. This is the control. So let me get my phone holder. Now I'll be using this phone holder I have in my previous stand, tripod stand, the mini one I showed us. So when you attach it, you place it on it this way. You just come down to this point and then you start tightening it. Okay, you begin to tighten it and then it's done. Then you clip it back. It's clipped. Then you can actually open it this way also. Now let's take for instance you want to make a cooking video. Your phone is here already. Let's take for instance the phone is here. You want to now make a cooking video. This place, you just get it done and you tighten this point. Alright, cooking video. Anything you are cooking here, it's going to be like wow. So that's that. And then probably your Instagram reel. For a YouTube video, your phone should be placed this way. All right, vertically. Yeah, yeah. Then probably your Instagram reel, your Facebook reel, TikTok video, your phone should be this way. Should be placed this way. Okay, so I got this particular one because I just feel that this will help me a long way, and it's a good buy. Trust me, guys, it's so affordable. Everything with the way bill and the payment for this tripod, everything I think is about 15,000 naira. If you want to contact my vendor, please drop a comment in the comment section. I will leave a link to the person or the phone number to call. So guys, so this is going to make all my videos legit. Okay guys, so that's that. So guys, I also got this Bluetooth, this control. So you just connect the Bluetooth of this to the Bluetooth of your phone, so that you can easily access that from a distance. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.